Not every team needs to build its own AI tool, but not every tool off the shelf will fit either. A CPO from France told me his team is too early in the AI journey to even think about building their own tools. For now, they're focused on off-the-shelf solutions that are easy to test and roll out. He said, "We are not Google, we just want something that works." You know what? That's fair. That being said, I also spoke to a procurement manager in the United States, who said his team is combining both approaches. They are actively using the Procurement Tactics template library and they combine it with AI tools for quick wins. At the same time, they are also working with IT to explore building internal dashboards that connect directly to supplier data. His goal is long-term control, but short-term momentum. This approach makes me excited. So in this lesson, you'll learn when to use ready-made AI tools, when to develop your own, and how to weigh speed, control, and practicality. AI in procurement can be implemented in two ways: using off-the-shelf AI tools or building custom AI solutions. Both approaches have their advantages and limitations, and the right choice depends on your procurement team's needs, budget, and level of AI expertise. In this lesson, we'll break down the pros and cons of each approach and help you decide when to buy AI tools and when to build your own. The main advantage of off-the-shelf AI is convenience. These tools are already trained, tested, and designed for business use. Procurement teams can start using them right away without requiring AI development expertise. However, off-the-shelf AI tools also have limitations. They may not be customized to your specific procurement workflows, meaning you have to adapt your processes to fit the tool rather than the other way around. Some AI platforms also have data security concerns if they store or process sensitive procurement information externally. If you rely on third-party AI vendors, you may have limited control over how the AI works or evolves over time. Because of these limitations, some companies choose to build their own AI solutions. This approach provides full control over how AI is used, ensuring it's tailored to specific procurement needs, compliance requirements, and security standards. A company might build a custom AI model for supplier risk scoring, spend categorization, or automated contract analysis, designed specifically for their industry and internal systems. In the past, building an AI tool required significant technical expertise and resources. But today, companies can use platforms like OpenAI's API, Zapier, and other AI services to customize AI without developing everything from scratch. These platforms allow procurement teams to train AI models based on their own procurement data, integrate AI into existing workflows, and create specialized AI-powered procurement assistants. The decision between buying AI tools or building your own comes down to balancing cost, control, and capabilities. Buy off-the-shelf AI if you need a fast, easy-to-use solution that provides general procurement insights without customization. Build a custom AI solution if you have specific procurement challenges that off-the-shelf tools don't solve, or you need full control over AI decision-making and data security. Use AI APIs if you want balance between customization and convenience, leveraging existing AI capabilities but training them on your company's procurement data. Ultimately, there's no single right answer that applies to everyone. I see many procurement teams starting with off-the-shelf AI and later moving toward custom AI development as their needs evolve. The key is to assess your team's AI maturity, security requirements, and level of technical expertise before making a decision. That being said, I do want to share our own observations. We noticed, especially in large corporations, that many teams have tried to create their own generative AI tools. They are replicating ChatGPT. And to be honest, the quality of these tools is rather low. If you think about it, it makes sense. Companies like OpenAI invest billions to train their software. Everyone, including your team members, will be comparing your custom-built AI tool with what's out there in the market. Yes, there are situations where you really want to build your own tools, but if it isn't mandatory, I would recommend going with what's out there. Here's the bottom line. Unless you've got a very specific reason to build your own, it's usually smarter to start with tools that already work. Test them first, prove the value, then decide if custom AI is worth the trade-offs. I'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll discuss how to choose the right AI tools for your procurement goals. I'll see you there.